Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best 45 calories bore brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any firearm enthusiast. Keeping your barrel clean is crucial for accuracy and the longevity of your firearm. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 45 calories bore brushes, exploring different types, materials, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to keep your .45 caliber firearms in top condition. Number 5. Birchwood KC Bronze Bristles Bore Brush. Introducing the Birchwood KC Bronze Bristles Bore Brush, the ultimate tool for gun cleaning. This brush offers superior features and value for shooting and hunting enthusiasts. The brush features durable bronze bristles designed for effective gun cleaning. These bristles maintain their shape, ensuring maximum scrubbing performance for repeated use. This versatile brush provides a thorough, multi-directional scrubbing action. It's perfect for tackling those extra dirty cleaning jobs, ensuring your gun is spotless. Gun maintenance is crucial for accuracy and longevity. This convenient brush is a must-have accessory for any gun owner, ensuring your firearm performs at its best. Birchwood KC has been a trusted name since 1948. Serious shooters and gunsmiths rely on this product for its quality and performance. This product has stood the test of time. This brush is designed to fit a variety of calibers, including .45, .45-70, .444, .410, .416, and 11 mm. It is a versatile tool for various firearms. What we like. This brush features durable bronze bristles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. It offers versatile cleaning action, perfect for those tough jobs. If you're looking for a reliable and trusted brand, this is the perfect choice for maintaining your firearm's performance. What people say. Quality bore brush. Works great. Well made. Does what it's designed to do. Will buy more when needed. Nice item. Just as advertised. Prospective buyers should note that the screw fitting in the brush is male. This requires a female screw thread on whatever cleaning rod is to be used. Number 4. Meanhoo Gun Cleaning Brush Kit. Introducing the Meanhoo Gun Cleaning Brush Kit. This kit is designed for comprehensive cleaning, ensuring your firearms are in top condition. It's an essential tool for any gun owner. These brushes feature a double-ended design, with both large and small ends. This allows it to reach both large areas and those hard-to-reach crevices. It makes cleaning much easier. This kit is perfect for handguns, shotguns, and pistols. It effectively cleans rifles, airsoft guns, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. Beyond firearms, this kit is also great for jewelry, metal, and sinks. It's a versatile tool for detailed cleaning. The applications are extensive. The nylon bore brushes are gentle yet effective. They clean gun barrels without scratching. The durable bristles are designed to last. Made from durable blue nylon, the brushes are built to last. The bristles are strong and won't shed easily. You can rely on it for heavy use. What we like. With its double-ended design, this brush can tackle both large areas and hard-to-reach crevices. It's also suitable for detailed cleaning of jewelry and metal. If you need a versatile cleaning tool for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. These were just what I needed to clean those hard-to-reach places on my firearms. Love them and they are durable. They are working out perfectly as intended. Durable and easy to use. Jim really likes the ability to use either the large or small end on the brush. These are a decent quality brush, the handle is great and the bristle density is decent. Soft enough that it will not damage the gunmetal. Number 3. Bore Baby .44.45 Cal Pistol and Handgun Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Bore Baby .44.45 Cal Bore Mop, designed specifically for your pistol or handgun. This kit ensures your firearm stays clean and functions at its best. Featuring a brass thread and core, this mop provides a thorough yet gentle clean. It's designed to maximize contact with the barrel, ensuring no residue is left behind. The brass core is built to last, so it won't damage your barrel. This ensures the longevity and performance of your firearm. Bore Baby manufactures a wide range of gun cleaning accessories. If you encounter any issues, contact us for a replacement. We are here to help. This kit includes 6 pieces, so you'll always have a fresh mop on hand. No need to reuse old ones, this ensures optimal cleaning every time. What we like. This product is specifically designed for your pistol or handgun. The brass core ensures it won't damage the barrel. If you want a convenient and effective cleaning solution with multiple pieces, consider this. What people say. Item exactly as described and works well. Did what it should do. These look good and fit a standard cleaning rod thread. I used one of these with bore paste to clean out a nasty milcert bore. Worked very well. Number 2. Ultimate Rifle Build Gun Snake Compact Gun Cleaner. Tired of complicated gun cleaning? This cleaner makes it easy. In just one quick pass, it cleans your gun thoroughly. First, apply the pre-scrub solution. Then, the brushes scrub the barrel, and the cleaning cloth cleans up. Finally, apply lubricant. This cleaner is solvent safe, machine washable, and reusable. You can use it hundreds of times. It's lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your pocket. This ensures it's always ready when you need it. Packaged in a clamshell, this product is ready for anything. Don't be embarrassed when gift giving. It comes with an unconditional warranty and is supported by our US support team. Contact us with any issues or questions. What we like. It offers quick and easy cleaning in a single pass, saving you time and effort. It's also reusable and machine washable, making it a cost-effective choice. If you value convenience and portability, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Works great, cleans barrels perfectly. Fits my rifle and shotgun great. Good length for longer barrels. Number 1. HOPPE'S No. 9.45 Caliber Pistol Brush. This is the HOPPE'S No. 9 Phosphor Bronze Brush. It's designed to help you clean your firearm. This brush is a great choice for maintaining your pistol. The brush features stout bristles. They are designed for efficient cleaning. This helps remove residue effectively. This brush is most effective at removing lead. It is designed to get rid of the toughest buildup. This will keep your gun in top shape. This brush is specifically designed for .45 caliber pistols. It's the perfect tool for your .45 caliber firearm. Make sure it is the right fit for your gun. The stout bristles allow for efficient cleaning. It helps to keep your gun in good condition. This brush will help extend the life of your firearm. This brush is designed for use with .45 caliber pistols. It is the perfect tool for your .45 caliber firearm. It will help keep your gun in top shape. What we like. This brush is most effective on lead, ensuring a thorough clean. The stout bristles allow for efficient cleaning. If you have a .45 caliber pistol and want the best performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great way to clean residue out of bore. Works great. Quality materials, well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.